Check out this stitch. It's like two different stitches squashed together to make a really pointy bobble. I made it up because I had to make these claws for these hobgoblins, but I didn't know what to actually call it, so I've just been calling it the Spiked Bobble. Hey, I'm Louie. So this is the Spiked Bobble. I abbreviate it in my patterns as SBO. This stitch is basically two different stitches put together. As you might have guessed, it's mostly a bobble stitch with a splash of mini picot thrown in for spice. If you don't know how to make a bobble stitch yet, go check out my video for that right here and then come back. I'll wait. Finally, those guys are such dweebs, except for Stacy, she's cool. Oh, hey, you're back! Thanks for watching that. The second part of this stitch is a mini picot that you do in the middle of a mini bobble stitch. I'm planning on doing a video for all the amazing uses for a picot in the future, but it's pretty easy to do. Just chain 2 and slip stitch into the back loop of the first chain that you made. This makes a little point. Okay, so now you know each part of the stitch. Let's put them together. First, make 2 repeats for a mini bobble stitch, meaning yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over again, and pull through, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, kind of like you're making a double crochet. And repeat that one more time. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Now's the tough part. Without removing the hook, do a mini picot. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the back loop of the first chain that you made. This can be really difficult to do, especially if you're working really tightly or with small yarn. Be patient, taking it one part at a time and using your fingernail or a needle to help get that hook into the back loop and then slip stitch 1. There should still be 3 loops on the hook after finishing the mini picot. Now do one more double crochet repeat. You should have 4 loops on the hook now. Finally, finish the stitch by yarning over and pulling through all the loops on the hook. I think the spiked bobble would probably make a good witch nose or maybe spikes on the back of an insect. But I'm thinking mostly an amigurumi, I suppose. If you have any cool ideas for this stitch or know the real name, let me know in the comments or on the Facebook group. And thanks for watching or reading along. This is part of an ongoing series called Amigurumi 101 brought to you by Club Crochet. This will be a constantly updating series teaching you how to make amigurumi quicker, better, and easier. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel down below and enable push notifications. Or join the email notification list so you don't miss new episodes. Try using the spiked bobble in this pattern for a hobgoblin. You can get this pattern and a bunch of other exclusive Amigurumi 101 patterns and tutorials by becoming a Club Crochet member. Members get early access to future episodes, exclusive Amigurumi 101 tutorials, weekly patterns, and monthly crochet kits mailed directly to their door. Plans start at only $5 a month, and you can learn more at clubcrochet.com. Thanks again for watching, pasta la pizza, and happy hooking!